shit adds up on the bottom.
So do you think a lot of Tool songs are about anal sex?
There's quite a few. I think Maynard's into that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you push under more.
That's what she said.
But
God damn it, wussy. I knew that was gonna happen.
that's all you need. Change. I'm just doing my front brake right now.
Why don't you like the internet, Wussy?
The internet's full of fucking retard, crying ass bitches.
Yeah, fuck the internet! And fuck podcasts and fuck life.
Podcasts are mainstream, and I'm not mainstream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about vlogs, video
You know what
logs?
should be mainstream? Pussy. Because half you
That-
faggots don't get it.
That's the truth right there.
Why don't they get it though?
Because it's pussy.
They're scared of it, or
They just want to stay home and jack off and watch podcasts.
do you think they jack off to like
Your podcast, yes.
to mine?
Yes.
That's awesome.
That's pretty influential. Like
jack off to you.
that makes me want to. Yeah. Wow.
I fucking
What's your favorite episode of Scroll Sessions?
asshole play 207?
I don't remember doing that one, but
Where's the break?
What?
Where's the brakes at?
Nothing left.
Fat bug hit me right here. And I was all, "What?" I was all, oh, kill shot, kill shot. Motherfucker.
so Kim Jong Un is probably gonna die soon. What do you think about that?
I don't care.
You don't care? What do you think?
I think.
It doesn't make you sad that Kim Jong Un, the benevolent leader, is in a vegetative state right now?
No, I don't like vegetables.
No.
I like Amber Bach though.
I like the meats. The meats and the meat sweats.
The meat sweats.
I like pastrami.
Pastrami?
Pastrami.
You like pastrami?
I like Amber Bach.
Yeah, me too.